All right, this is section 4.6, problem number 9, page 415. It's a half-life problem. I suggest you pause, try to work it yourself, and then come back and see how I worked it. All right, number 9, part A. Find the PERT formula. All right, population is now 112,000 in the year 2014. And what will the population be after 18 years? And they want you to use the doubling time was 18 years rather. In 18 years, so they just want you to come up with a formula first. So it's A equals the starting population and this is the doubling problem, so it'd be a 2 here raised to the time that we don't know over the doubling time, which was 18 years. So that's the answer to part A. Part B, come up with PERT. A equals P-E-R-T. A equals, we're starting with 112,000 people. E raised to the R. How do we get R? Here's how we find R. We divide ln2 by D. All right, so R equals ln2, because it's doubling, not half, divide by how long it takes to double, which is 18, and your rate, 0.0385. 0.0385. 0.0385 times how many years we go by, time. Now why is this positive? Because it's growth. It's doubling. If it was half, then that would be a negative because it's getting smaller. That's the answer to part B. C, sketch a graph. It's growing. And where is it starting at? 112,000 people at time 0. D, how long will it take to get to 500,000? We want to get to 500,000. And we're starting with 112,000. They don't tell you to work it both ways, so either use this formula or this formula. I like the double formula, so I'm going to use that. So I put a 2, and I want to know how long it's going to take, so it's T over 18 years. So divide those two and reduce it to 125 over 28 equals 2 raised to the T over 18. Now we have to take log. 2 has the exponents, that's our base 2 of 125 over 28 equals T over 18. Do this on your calculator, multiply it by 18, and you should get 38.9 years. $38.9 to go from 112,000 to 500,000, almost 40 years. There's 1 or 2 other ones in the book if you want to practice, or just put this video away and look in the book and try and work it and see if you get the same answer. You need to practice.